So recall that Solidity is a statically typed language. So every variable we declare has a specific type. So what kind of types exist in Solidity? Let's look at a general overview. So you can see here all available types in Solidity. Not surprisingly, you have boolean, so true or false. Then you have the number type, integers. By the way, a little fun fact here, the mathematical symbol for integers, z, stands for Zahlen, the German word for numbers. So basically just all normal numbers. We'll look into the integer type in a bit more detail in the next chapter. Then you have the string type, so just something like hello world. And actually string is just a special version of the array type, so just a list of one type. Then you have the address type, which is a special type for our blockchain, which represents either a user address, called externally owned account, in short EOA, or a smart contract address. And then you have a contract type, which is basically an address combined with an application binary interface, so you know how to interact with that contract. And then you have enums, just a set of predefined constant values like, for example, black, white, red, blue, green. And you have a struct type that allows you to combine other types into a new special type that you designed. And a mapping type, which is for storing data in a table format. And also there's a function type, so basically any function you write could be assigned to a variable. And lastly, custom types, which are usually just an alias for an existing type, like here for you, and which is integer type. Okay, so that was a lot. We will cover all the types later on. This was only meant as a quick overview for you. For now, I think Boolean doesn't really require any explanation, and it's just like in any other language, true or false. But numbers have a specific consideration. So let's look at those in a bit more detail.